Perak Police have urged the public to remain calm and avoid making any speculation about the explosion-like sound that shook the town this morning. Perak Police Chief Datuk Azizi Mat Aris confirmed that the police received information about the incident at 11:06 a.m. After checks with the Ulu Kinta General Operations Force or GOF, it was found that no training exercises involving explosions were conducted today. Further checks with the Land and Mines Office confirmed that no scheduled explosions occurred in the quarry areas before noon. Additionally, the Malaysian Meteorological Department reported no seismic activity in the Kinta district despite an earthquake being recorded in Halmahera, Indonesia at 11:24 a.m. The police are currently investigating the incident and urge anyone with information to contact the Perak Contingent Control Centre.